Hi, welcome to PHP tutorial. We're going to talk about MySQL, continuing from our last video. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL. It is case sensitive. The page is already loaded, has already been loaded here. And if you scroll down to step 3, that's what we have been doing. We did some CMD commands, SQL commands in the CMD prompt. So make sure your Apache Web Server and MySQL database are running. Let me just double check how many times I open this. Okay, this is not good, right? I opened this too many times to avoid confusion. Probably I should right click on them and only close off them and only use one of them just to avoid confusion. Now I only have one. We are good. So one xampp control panel. Start both the Apache and MySQL. Go to the shell. Remember during last class, what we did was we log in as Harry. Password is elbow monkey, and we are in. And then we did all kind of things here, which was really fun. And database administrators use this kind of SQL commands to do stuff. But then you'll be like, hey, there must be a graphic interface in today's age, right? Yes, there is. It's called PHP myadmin. Let's get out. Okay. There is something called PHP myadmin that you can use to see the graphic user interface. And in fact, you can actually come here and click on admin, but then you get an error. Access denied. So to access PHP myadmin, all you need to do is type this URL in your web browser. But you'll see a size denied. It says that invalid setting, access denied for root localhost. Then you'll be like, you never asked me for username and password. How do you know that I'm using root? So in fact, you actually need to change the configuration. These are the instructions here to change the configuration. Okay. So to do that, you go to, probably is a good idea to stop both. Okay, and now go to you open this. Okay, click on this. Go to PHP myadmin configuration here, or this file, or you can go to the C drive to find that file. You can do that. Going from here, scroll down to this line here, authentication type, change it to HTTP authentication instead of configuration. If they follow configuration, they will take the username and password here, which probably not a good idea to put your username and password in the configuration file on your server. So probably we should just do that. So change that. Save. Restart your Apache and MySQL. This time, you can just click on admin, or you can type in this URL. Now you can key in your username is Harry and password is elbow monkey. Now you're in. Okay. If you still remember, in the last video we created a sample database with some table called domains. you can do that. Okay, and if you remember, you can look at the structure of domains. That's what we have created. Okay, and you can do all kind of things here. And we also had, we also did change the password of the root. So if you go back to home, go to user accounts, you will see that the user has password, all good stuff. Okay. All right. I think that is a good place to stop. Okay. In the next video, we are going to create a database in phpMyAdmin, and we are going to create PHP files to link to that page. All right. That's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching.